we are going to solve another problem which is based on the concept of kinetic energy. So here is the problem which reads, the kinetic energy of an object of mass m moving with a velocity of 5 meters per second is 25 joules. What will be its kinetic energy when its velocity is doubled? And what will be its kinetic energy when its velocity is increased 3 times? So let us first of all list out whatever is given in the question. That is, mass of the object is given to be m, which is not specified with a certain value. The velocity of the body at that particular instant is given to be 5 meters per second, when the kinetic energy of the object was found to be Ek, which equals 25 joules. So this is what we know from the question about the body. Now we are supposed to find out the kinetic energy of the body if its velocity gets doubled and also when its velocity gets tripled. So we need two things to find out the kinetic energy of a body, that is the mass, and the second thing is the velocity of the body. We already have the velocity of the body here in this case, but we do not have the value of the mass of the object. So let us first calculate the mass of the object with this given information so that we can find out the kinetic energy of this body when its velocity gets doubled and tripled. So the kinetic energy, we know the formula of kinetic energy, which is half mv squared, and this is given to be 25 joules. Now on putting the value of the velocity, that is 5 meters per second, we have half m into 5 whole squared equals 25 joules. Now this turns out to be half m multiplied by 25 equals 25 joules, and therefore m equals 50 by 25, which is 2 kg. So the mass of the body is found to be 2 kgs. And now that we have the mass of the body as well as the velocity of the body, we can easily find out the kinetic energy of the body. But we need to find out the velocity of the body when its velocity is doubled and when its velocity is tripled. So let us try to find out first of all. So here when its velocity is doubled, the velocity of the body becomes the original velocity multiplied by 2, which is 5 multiplied by 2 equals 10 meters per second. Now this new velocity I have taken it to be v prime. So v prime equals 10 meters per second, which equals twice of v. So let us try to find out the kinetic energy of the body when its velocity gets doubled, that is v prime. So the kinetic energy, we can find it out using the same formula, that is half m v prime squared in this case. So let us put the values here. So this turns out to be half multiplied by 2 multiplied by 10 squared. So this equals 100 joules. Now we had the initial kinetic energy of the body to be 25 joules, but when its velocity gets doubled, the kinetic energy of the body is now 100 joules. That means it has become 4 times of its initial kinetic energy, which was 25 joules. And when the velocity increases 3 times, it becomes v double prime equals 5 multiplied by 3 equals 15 meters per second. So this is the new velocity of the body. So when this body is moving with 15 meters per second velocity, we can very well calculate what is the kinetic energy of the body by using the same formula, that is half m v double prime squared. On calculating this, we have the kinetic energy of the body to be 225 joules. Now we can clearly notice that its kinetic energy has increased from 100 to 225 joules when the velocity was tripled. So we can clearly conclude that the kinetic energy increases when we increase the velocity of the body, or it varies proportionally to the square of the velocity with which the body is moving at a particular instant of time. So with this we have solved the whole problem, and I hope this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching.
TutorialsPoint.com. Simply easy learning.